The 18-piece cat toy assortment set is a fantastic choice for any cat owner looking to keep their feline friend entertained and active. This set offers a diverse range of interactive cat balls, each designed to provide hours of fun. Whether your cat loves to chase, pounce, or bat at toys, this assortment has something for every playstyle. With 18 different balls, your cat will never get bored. The balls are made from safe materials like cotton, natural feathers, and paper, ensuring that playtime is both enjoyable and secure, so you can relax knowing your cat is playing with safe toys. The set also includes a handy storage bag, which is a great touch. Each ball arrives in its own little white box, making it easy to keep everything organized and ready for play. This thoughtful packaging makes this set a great gift option for cat lovers. In summary, this 18-piece cat toy set offers a great mix of fun, safety, and convenience. It promotes both mental stimulation and physical activity, making it a wonderful choice for keeping your cat happy and healthy. It's a well-organized, thoughtful set that's sure to provide your furry friend with plenty of enjoyment.